Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Children, in the last classes, you have already learned some letters and its sound like D, 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 I, E, E, O, 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 B, 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 O, A, O, and J, J, J. So children, today I am going to teach you new letters sound. I, E, I, E. Now I will say a song based on I, E. The captain said I, the captain said I. Stand up straight, don't be late, the captain said I. Yes children, I, E sound is I. Now I will say few words on I sound.
I, pie, pie. I, tie, tie. I, die, die. I, cried, cried. I, lie, lie. I, fries, fries. I, flies, flies. I, relief.
Now children, we will do one activity from Creative Beginnings Language Skills book, page number 11 and worksheet number 7. Words with I sound. Color the areas with I words. You can see over here children, fish is drawn. Okay? Wherever I sound word is written, you have to take one color and color it. We will take yellow color and color over here pie. So color here yellow color. Pie. Tie. I word you have to do yellow color over here. Yes children? Yes, here also die. Here also full you can do yellow color. Fries. Fries. Here also IE sound is there. You have to do yellow color here also. Okay. Now in page number 12, worksheet number 8, words with I sound. See each pictures and trace the word. Here pie. Pie. Trace I letter and E letter. Pie. Next tie. Tie. Trace I and E. Tie. Die. Trace letter I and letter E. Die. Fries. 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 So you have to trace I and E letters. Okay children, look at each picture and write the correct word. Here pie picture is there. You have to write pie spelling. P-I-E. Pie. Here die picture is there. D-I E, die. Here tie picture is there. T, I, E, tie. Fries. F, R, I, E, S, fries. This you have to do it. Okay children, complete this to page number 11 and 12. Worksheet number 7 and 8. Thank you children.